Hey guys, welcome to my first ever sit down and talk to a camera video. It's really weird actually, just speaking to a camera, but yeah, I'm just gonna try and get used to it. So I just wanted to talk about a few period related things. Yeah, I don't think periods get spoken about enough, and there's some really cool stuff around to just help your period be a little bit nicer. So the first thing I wanted to speak about was this, which you can see it says BAE BOXX. This is a period subscription box. This is what it comes like. Sorry, there's a bash, but that's my fault. And then if you open it up, get a little card. I'm just trying to show you as best as I can. So you get a little card and it says on it, pamper yourself, you deserve it, love from BAE BOXX. And on the back it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. Okay, so I have had a little peek, so that's why it's been ripped, but there's a little sticker and everything. It's so cute. So inside, I'm just going to quickly show you everything that you get. I know every month is slightly different as well, so there'll be some things that will probably change, and you can change the subscription depending on what you want as well. So I'm veggie, so I've said no like chewy sweets that aren't vegetarian or anything like that. So yeah, so first thing is this little packet. How cute is that? It says thank you on it. It's just got popcorn. I don't know what flavour it is, but it's got popcorn in it and some little Percy pigs. And I know for a fact I can have these because they are the veggie ones they have green ears, and I love veggie Percy pigs. They're exactly the same. If you like Percy pigs, just pick the veggie ones, because why would you want to have pig in a sweet? It just doesn't make sense. That is so cute. Okay, so I'll just talk about these things as well, because that's what you get a period box subscription for. So there's loads of these like wormy things. You get pads and tampons. Well, I think you can choose whether you want tampons or pads, but I'm guessing I went for both. It's good to kind of switch it up as well, because obviously you don't want to keep putting something inside you every day for like a week. So yeah, how cute. These are actually Lillettes, I know for a fact, because I do use them as well. So yeah, how cute. And you also get 2 panty liners, which obviously really good for your start of your period or at the end of it. And just that alone, like just having your like sanitary protection delivered to your door is amazing, because you don't have to worry about, oh crap, I haven't got a tampon, what am I gonna do? So I just think that's amazing. You also get a little tea, and I'm pretty sure the tea changes every, I was gonna say week, thank goodness we don't have periods every week, every month. And this one is organic chamomile, lemon balm and lavender infusion. And it's called Snooze and Peace. I don't know if I said that. So tea in general is really good for your periods. It's good for your digestive system, and it's also really good to relax you. So that'd be great before bed. And there's also a little candle. I just love that it's just loads of cute random things as well. I think that's like pineapple or maybe mango scented, but I mean, if you get a new little candle every month, that's so cute as well. You also get a couple of goodies. So here's a couple of sweets. This is an Eleanor. I'm pretty sure the pink strawberry. like lint ball, and you get some Love Heart sweets, and these will all change depending on what you ask for. So you can choose whether it's sweet, whether you like sweet or salty, and you can choose whether you want either tampons or pads or whatever. Oh, I didn't mention as well, I think it's about £5. Actually no, I'm lying, completely lying. £7.99 for a subscription, but I've also got a code that you can use that's going to be down below. I've got some chocolate, of course. That's like the perfect amount as well, and it's dark chocolate, which is my favourite. God, that looks so good. I really want that now. Amazing. And last thing is, oh, this, I'm just going to show you that inside, because they put these little hearts in, these like confetti hearts, if you can see. How cute is that? Oh. And the last thing that they pop in is paracetamol, which is amazing because especially in my household they get used so much, and even if I've bought a pack in preparation, or if I know I've got leftover, they're sometimes used and you're like, great. So it's another rush to a shop or whatever, and it's just amazing, you don't have to worry about it. So I'll just show you it all together. Just gonna whack them all back in. All of that, like £7.99 a month. I think that's amazing, and you can get some really expensive period subscription boxes that are like over a tenner, and they have things in it that you would use every month for your period. Obviously they have pads and whatever, but they have things in it that you are just wasting your money on. So I think that's perfect. That's exactly what you need, and you don't need to worry about anything. It's just perfect. So next thing I wanted to show you was the yeah, so I wanted to show you these as well. These are also a subscription. So they're called Flow. This is a little leaflet that came with it. They are organic tampons that you can get delivered every month. I just think this is amazing. It's in like an ice cream pot and they're in there. That's so cool. But yeah, they come every month as well. They don't come like this. Sorry if the positioning of the camera's changed. I had to delete some footage on my memory card. I don't even know what I was talking about. Yeah, they come in a flat rectangular like box that gets delivered through your letterbox, so you don't need to worry about being in or anything like that, and it's very discreet. I think they're packaged in like plain white or whatever, and yeah, that goes through your box every month, and they are like £4.99. so how amazing. I just think that's so amazing. You don't need to go to the shop. I don't know if it's because I'm really unorganised, but I never plan on having a period, so I'm like, great, quickly run to Sainsbury's or whatever. And they're organic as well, which is so much better for you. Yeah, and I'll just read you on this. It says they're fairly traded. Oh, hold on. Come on then. So we have a visitor. Say hello. Yeah, yeah. Good girl. Sit nicely then. Sit nicely. Right, she's just gonna be there, just watching. Yeah, so it says fairly traded, organic, biodegradable packaging and cotton, and 5% of profits go to girls in need and products to women in need, which is amazing. So why not? So yeah, that's Flow. They come, these ones, if you order the like one-off ones like this, you know, if you want to try them or whatever, They come with 8 regular and 6 super, and they're really cute as well. They're pink and blue ones. And they also do pads which are made of bamboo, I believe. But again, I'll link everything below. I'll pop their website as well below, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit random to just talk about periods, but why not? Half of the world gets it, half of the population get periods at some point in their life, so I don't know why it's so like such a taboo subject even still of today. Like, I'm going on a rant now. It's when guys say, oh, do you have lady pains, or like just say period pains, like, for goodness sake. Anyway, if you liked this video, it would really help me if you gave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more. Bye guys.